Okay, that's a hive I did the other day and harvested. They were on this stand that was falling over, and here's their next door neighbor. I think they've left the bottom part of their hive. You see them coming out there, but I think they use this as a brood area because, as you see in the back here, has these huge holes because everything's shifted and moved. So I bet there's nothing in those frames. And the brood area is these two, and there'll be honey up here. So I'm going to harvest the honey because, of course, I made a problem for myself by putting empty, no frames. At least I warned myself about it. See how I pull this off without too much of a mess, I hope. Let's see what's in here. I leave the top on because the comb is attached to the top. And I hope it just separates. Usually does. There's plenty of these up there. Again with more smoke. Yeah. You're going to get a new bottom. There we go. Everybody shoo out of the honey. Honey's coming out. There we go. And, oh, then of course it's just honey. That's good. Turn it over. Yep, and beetles, of course. That's where they keep the beetles trapped, as you can see. See those hive beetles running around with a little smoke in there. You'll really see them run. I don't think there's any brood in here. It's just honey, usually. See those beetles? That's how they police the beetles. They keep them up there. So, oh yeah, there's some more. See those beetles? This beetle jail right here. So I'll pick up that piece too. Right. And let those beetles go. Peel it off. Put it over here. Now. So that's not very good honey. This is a real nice piece here though. And they get to keep all this. And I'll just transfer them over onto this nice new bottom. That's going to be next after I scrape this other honey off. Everybody's shoes. That's right, get on down. That's the girls. Take this away. Now this will be just right. There's a little nectar in there. They're not going to lose much. There's some nice honey inside. I'll put that down there. And I'll just move them over, see how that works. Try that right now. Oh, it's not going to be light. And then I'll show you what's in between there. Really not much right there. Here we go. Yep, that bottom was empty, I can guarantee it. Look, you got a nice new bottom. Everybody's happy. Okay. Yeah, see, there's nothing in here. They hadn't used this for a long time. Check, be sure. Yeah, empty. Good choice. See, this is all because it was open. They didn't even bother. There's some pollen, and I'll leave that out. They sometimes harvest that pollen. I'll put it out back, and the bees will dig it out of those frames and reuse that. It'll be just fine. Now they got a nice new bottom, and I get to take some honey. Just get those bees out and put that nice honey in a container and off to the bistro.